For nearly 2 decades, Lone Star Analysis has provided applied decision intelligence and engineering solutions to help organizations improve confidence and reduce uncertainty for critical business decisions. We harness predictive and prescriptive analytics and evolved artificial intelligence to deliver analytics software and solutions across numerous industries. Now, Lone Star has developed MaxUp Fleet for vehicle CBM, an advanced condition-based maintenance analytics software to help fleet managers maximize return on their fleet assets. Fleet managers often encounter common challenges that can have a significant impact on their company's profitability and return on assets. Maximizing uptime and reducing maintenance costs are critically important hurdles fleet managers face in their efforts to optimize fleet assets. MaxUp Fleet's vehicle CBM provides analytics to help fleet managers optimize the maintenance of vital assets by conducting real-time analysis on critical vehicle systems, predicting when and why components will fail to perform properly, and prescribing actions to prevent failures. MaxUp Fleet's CBM software provides these predictive and prescriptive analytics for vehicle subsystems such as engines, tires, gearboxes, cooling, lubrication, and numerous other vehicle systems. This results in lower maintenance costs, increased asset availability, and overall fleet reliability. As critical issues arise in assets, MaxUp Fleet's vehicle CBM analytics actively diagnoses failures and prescribes actions to prevent further damage. For example, a blockage or failure in the turbocharger oiling system will quickly lead to the turbocharger overheating and suffering a bearing failure. The software predicts when the oil temperature will reach a critical threshold and suggests that there is a blockage in the turbocharger oiling system. The air intake and turbocharger subsystem health state is then elevated to a critical condition. The dashboards allow users to investigate the failures at a deeper level by clicking into each subsystem. Inside the air intake and turbocharger subsystem, the prescriptions and predictions for things relevant to the subsystem are displayed, as well as any supporting information: hot stop counter, engine RPM, turbocharger discharge pressure, and turbocharger oil pressure. If the user had followed the prescriptions to shut down the engine before the oil temperature became too high, expensive and difficult to replace components like the turbocharger bearings could have been saved. MaxUp Fleet Vehicle CBM software helps you maximize uptime and maximize return on all your fleet assets. To see a full demo of MaxUp Fleet Vehicle CBM, email us at information@lone-star.com. To learn more about Lone Star Analysis Solutions, please visit our website at lone-star.com.